Ngayon pa lang, remind natin, refresh tayo. Yung buhay po sa mundo maiksi lang pala. Life is short, but eternity is long. Kaya yung buhay sa mundo, yun lang tayo dito, temporary lang. Okay?
Let us remember Tito Jess or Captain Jesus Santa Cruz, not just for the way he lived, but for the love he gave to each and every one of us. The lesson that he imparted and the joy he brought into our lives.
We will miss you, Lola Daddy. Be with Papa in heaven and we love you.
Salamat, Ti. Sobra. Salamat. Turing naman ako nga isa sa bata namamagit. Palangga ako ni Daddy. Salamat, Ti. Salamat. Salamat na lang dito sa
Nag-flash sa akin lahat yung itsura niya, kung paano siya mag-joke. Talagang nahagulgul ako. Talagang sabi ko, parang hindi ko matanggap, mamimiss ko yung mga ganong bagay.
Even in his death, he left a strong impression to me, to all of us, to be strong and keep moving forward. And I wish we'll be able to carry it forward for Daddy. That's it. Love you, Daddy, and thank you so much.
Saka yung natatandaan ko dito kay Tuto, tuwing 6 o'clock ng gabi, nagdadasal kami nila nanay. Ang ginagawa namin magkakapatid niyan, pag tumitingin kami kasi kay Tuto, tumatawa na kaagad kami. Inuubos namin muna yung tawa namin bago kami mag-stand. Kasi kapag hindi naubos yung tawa namin, hindi matatapos yung dasal namin. Kasi nagpapatawa yan.
Thank you, Lola Daddy. I will miss you and rest in peace with Papa. We love you so much, Lola Daddy.
Malapit ako sa kanya, malapit niya rin sa akin. Napagbiro yan sa akin. Ano? Love you, Tito.
Toto, thank you so much, and I know you are now in peace, so just be with the Creator, and we really love you. Thank you.
We love you dearly and we hope if given a chance to be born again, we will still choose that you will be our tito, our uncle, our daddy.
Your love, your generosity to me and my family. May you rest in peace. Enjoy heaven. Enjoy the love of our Creator right now. No more pain, and you are now at the happiest place.
Basta Dad, yung story mo, matutun sa generations na yan, maaalala ng lahat, mahal na mahal ka ng lahat, marami kang natulungan, hindi lang kami alam ng lahat yung Dad. I love you, Dad. Mahal ka namin ng mga bata.
I love you and yun ang miss na kita. Tsaka ni Ashley din, hindi ka nakita.
Hindi na nga namin iniisip yung gastos. Basta manikit maging komportable lang siya. Hopeful pa kami na may namin si Dad.
Yun lang. I love you, Daddy. Mamimiss kita.
To enter heaven, we have to be close with Jesus. Walang makapunta sa Ama, walang makapunta sa langit pag hindi sa pamamagitan ni Jesus.
Siguro talagang time na talaga. Sinundo na siya ni Papa Jesus tsaka ni Kuya Tok na para magsama na sila. It was a good fight, Dad. Sobrang salamat sa lahat. And you will forever be in our hearts. Mahal na mahal ka namin, Dad. I love you so much. Grateful pa din kami sa mga moment na nakasama namin siya. Nasabi at naipakita naman namin kung kaano namin siya kamahal. Kahit hindi na siya makapagsalita, pag sinasabi namin, I love you, Daddy, gumagano naman siya. But saying I love you kay Daddy is not enough. And if given a chance, I want to continue saying to him and express my love towards you. But I want to know that me and Clinton, Dad, are forever grateful for your love and support sa lahat-lahat na tulong niyo sa amin ni Clinton. Salamat po.
Daddy. Dad. Hello, Daddy. Iniwan mo na kami, Dad. Daddy, love mo kami, Daddy, di ba? Ka namin makakalimutan, Daddy. Mahal ka namin, Daddy.
Love you, Daddy. Thank you
No
po
more
sa
pain na,
lahat-lahat,
Dad. Hindi ka na laging nakasimangot. Masasmile ka na kasi wala nang pain.
Daddy.
Naging masaya ka dyan, Dad,
Mamimiss ka
ha?
namin, Daddy.
I love you, Daddy. Love yan ni Ashley si Daddy, eh.